This is Dixie. She's a Shar-Pei mix. She's very lovable. She's probably a year and a half to 3 years old. She's spayed, vaccinated. She gets along great with other dogs, kids, and adults. Cats are unknown. She is potty trained. She loves to walk on a leash. She loves to walk outside and run around. She loves to play. She's definitely an inside dog. She came to us as a stray, and then her owners contacted us and said they were moving and could not keep her. She's a very sweet girl. She's been groomed recently. She done amazing at the groom shop.
Come here. Come here and see.
We have never had any issues.
Can you sit? Sit? No.
Dixie. And her name is Dixie.